let's kick off the holiday baking madness with pecan balls. This one is a family favorite, so I'll be doubling the recipe to make 2 batches. Start off by preheating your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, prepare 1 to 2 cups of chopped pecans. I'm going to use this old-timey hand grinder. This might take a minute. My grandma loves nuts, so I'm going to put 2 cups in each batch. When you're done with your nuts, set them aside because we're going to add them to the batter last. To start the batter, cream 1 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of sugar in a mixing bowl. Now remember, I'm doubling the recipe, so yes, that does look like a lot of butter. Once your butter is smooth, start adding your sugar. Now toss in 3/4 teaspoon of salt, followed by 2 teaspoons of your favorite vanilla extract. Always remember to scrape the sides of the bowl to ensure that all your ingredients make it into your dough. Once you're satisfied with your mixture, start adding your flour to the dough. I suggest doing this a cup at a time to ensure your electric mixer doesn't blast flour everywhere. But it doesn't matter for me because I always manage to make a mess anyway. Once your dough is smooth and relatively dry, you can begin adding your chopped nuts. Just smell that cookie batter, eat it until you are fatter. Barely any make it to the cookie platter before your family can gather. Okay, now that we're done with the dough, we can add the secret ingredient. Just a dash of nutty. Let's turn this pecan dough into pecan balls. Pinch off a tiny amount, roll it around in your hand until it's a perfect sphere. I prefer bite-sized cookies, so I'm going to keep mine about the size of a quarter. This dough doesn't expand while baking, so you can pack quite a few on a baking sheet. Shove them in your oven that's 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Increase your oven heat to 325 degrees. Pop your pecan balls back in the oven for an additional 10 minutes. When 10 minutes is up, let your pecan balls cool to the touch and then roll them in some confectioner's sugar. If you're not a fan of sweet cookies, pecan balls are for you. They have a nutty shortbread taste and go well with coffee and tea. I hope this simple cookie will find its way to your table this slightly sinister holiday season. Join me tomorrow for more holiday baking and terrible singing.